All right, well, it is finally time. I promised to install for the NYTOP Hybrid bumper hitch, I think probably a couple of weeks ago when I picked it up, but it's finally time. It's a little chilly out here this morning. We've got our coffee and we're gonna get stuck in. I'm Gabe, and behind the camera is Landon from the Order of Traveling Hats. Let's do this.
So when we got the hitch, it looks like it's made extremely well. You can see it here on the floor. It's very heavy, made out of heavy gauge steel everywhere. It's 3/16 and 1/4 inch plate, welded to square tubing, and it's just overall extremely well made. Very impressed with the overall build quality that NYTOP decided to put into this. I read on their website they test these to failure at about 22,000 pounds, which is way more than the GX will ever be able to tow. The hardware was great. It's all factory type, grade 8 hardware. It's all pre-measured. The bracket that it came with for the hitch plug is very robust and fits on the hitch quite nicely. And overall, NYTOP just really outdid themselves with this.
NYTOP has these instructions online, but they actually provide you with the full color instructions. And as you can see, there's not a lot to it. It's just a couple of pages. Most of the instructions are involved in making the wiring harness longer, which is pretty easy too. I don't really want this to be a full-on how-to because it's just a hitch and it's pretty simple. More of a come along and see how it goes kind of situation. So first things first, we've got the hybrid bumper on this. There's a little facade piece of plastic with it. We've got to get off just some 10mm bolts and some clips. That out here first. Remove it. You won't be needing the factory tow hook anymore, as your NYTOP tow hitch receiver offers alternative recovery points. And then there's a picture of it on. Maybe we're done. Oh wait, no. Okay. First step number whatever. We're gonna put that back. That's going to be, it's, yeah.
No, well, we're going to use the floor jack.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was doing.
That's like on the floor jack and just stabilize it and get it out there and get the bolt started and then it'll be off.
That's exactly what I was going to do. Torque down to 75 foot-pounds per.
This is going to do 75 foot-pounds.
I wouldn't have bought it if it didn't, mate. It's like at the top, but it'll do it.
Maybe we should use mine.
I'm going to use mine. I bought it just for this.
Okay. That's going in the video too, just so you know. Making out with a torque wrench, because that's what you like. You like getting your torque on. Not to be confused with the twerk.
There it is. All right, so one of us has got to operate the jack, and one of us has got to stabilize this and get a bolt started. So who's going to stabilize and who's going to jack?
Why don't you jack?
I know that you love to jack off, but...
Why don't you jack on both?
Okay. Yeah, I think this is a good looking addition. way better than the package would. Yeah, get it secure so it doesn't fall on my face. That'd be embarrassing. It's like, well, we started to install a hitch and Gabe had to go to the ER because he got hit in the face. That ended our watch trip real quick. Well, that didn't work. I think I ran it. No more jack.
Everything just click. Well, that's the install. What do you think? Maybe half hour, if that?
Yeah.
Everything fit perfectly. We didn't have to move anything or jangle anything or make anything bigger. Everything just went right where it was supposed to be. The instructions are very plain and very clear, except for how to remove the hitch plug. NYTOP, that is the only improvement critique that I've got. But this thing is ridiculously robust. No doubts that it's well capable of more than the chassis could ever pull. So I don't know, I'm happy with it. We're about to tow a trailer halfway across the country next week, so we'll see how she does, but I don't see any reason why it won't. That's gonna wrap it up here. NYTOP, fantastic job so far. It looks great, and I'm very, very happy with it. This has been Gabe and Landon with the Order of the Traveling Hats. We hope to see you guys out there.